Hello traders, and welcome to the VantagePoint Trading Journal for today, Tuesday, October 2nd, 2018. We are solidly in the middle of fall right now. Well, not in the middle, but in the beginning. But anyhow, we're going to show you how VantagePoint has been forecasting market movements and show you what you need to pay attention to. Alright, so we are looking at Nvidia. NVDA is the ticker. This has been, we can go back basically as far as we want, go back a year. This has been just a solidly uptrending, and basically every pullback that you've gotten has been a great opportunity. We are looking at, specifically, we have the crossover that occurred here on the 27th, which was Friday, and so that's going to be our indication to start looking for confirming metrics. First one, predicted range higher than yesterday's actual low and high. We have the neural index in the green. It went green on the 24th, between the 24th and 25th. Those three things are telling me upside momentum. So if I'm a stock trader, well, that's pretty easy. Just buy in anything in the 289 area. Very solid play. Always be looking for a protective stop. That's going to be probably down here in the 271-ish range, 271.5 range. But for options players, what we can do is we can really leverage up our play here. So if we're looking at specifically, if we're looking at the October 19th, which is regular October, which has about 2.5 weeks left to go, looking at the 300-305 call spread, buying that for about 110. Getting for 110, that means that the most that you can lose is that $1.10. The most that you can make is the width of the spread less the premium paid, which is $3.90. 390 divided by 110, that is 3.55 to 1. Great reward to risk, and that is what we're looking at in Nvidia. I'll be checking in with you later on in the week. Hope to talk to you then. Thanks a lot. Good luck trading.